this is just a basic example, not that much, but just a basic example. So it should be sustainable. It should work for you. Even when you're sleeping, it should work for you. Okay. So yeah. So I'm going to just go through my experiences, that what I learned. So the first thing you should always think that whichever the college friends you're getting with you should be able or should be ready to work with you. Okay, the first person is सब लोग बोल देते हैं yes I'm going. Now you will be observed with that one because the BE students might be aware of this thing or T also. So first thing everyone says हाँ हम लोग ये करेंगे, but try to allocate each and everything and try to understand that human behavior is different. Okay, might be some of the thinking कि मेरे parents not मुझे allow नहीं करे so I'll go for the job because it happened with me. Two of my colleagues are working with me and at the first early stage startup only they told me कि Abhinav I want to leave and I want to go with my job.
Abhinav, I'm having one question. This one question.
Yes. Yes.
You are right now working as an innovate entrepreneur.
Yes, ma'am.
What does it exactly means?
Ma'am, my role is like very different from all the entrepreneurs we have working right now. So it's all about creating, understanding what the problem the society has. Right now, we just came up with an idea to do the social service. It's like no animal dies on the street. Okay, so how we are going to work that we see many of the animals are dying on the street with on the road accident. Most of them are dying with no medication. So we came up with an idea that what the product should be developed that it will tackle this problem in society. Okay, so as an innovative entrepreneur, I'm always thinking about the big ideas, picturizing a very good vision in my mind, doing the right research analysis, whether it's a market analysis or all the technologies available in the market or what great should we create and how the end user is going to means how end user is going to use it. Okay.